Hey guys, welcome back to World Mechanics. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video guys to any of you that have a BMW Z4 guys and you're trying to remove or replace ignition coil guys. So even if you have guys generation E85, E89, the video should be very helpful. No matter if you have a 4 or 6 cylinder engine, the procedure will be very similar guys. We will explain the order of the cylinders, which ignition coil probably you have bad and how to recognize that. So make sure you stay until the end guys. Before we start, every part or anything that we use in our videos guys, we try to share the links and where we get them from in the description of the video below. So if you need to buy new ignition coils, we'll share the link guys and make it even easier on you. Another thing guys, let me introduce you to the channel. Every single car we get at the shop, we make at least 200 free repair videos. Why we do that? Simply because our mission in the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel and like the video. That way we can keep providing guys this free information. Let us show you what we have here now. This is a 6-cylinder engine. But even if you guys have a 4-cylinder engine, procedure will be very similar. And before we start, let me guys, share something with you. This channel right here, Auto Repair guys, this is our main channel. This channel guys has helped more than 71 million people. So check it out, subscribe. We have information that can save you thousands of dollars on future repairs. So all that being said guys, on your BMW Z4, even if you have a little bit different engine, the procedure will be very similar guys. You will need to remove your upper engine cover. Under that engine cover is where you have ignition coils. So usually you grab and pull it out. And you will guys have, you can see 4 places usually where it attaches to the upper valve cover. And where that is, let us show you. Right here, 1, 2, 3, and 1 on this side, 4 guys. Now, with that being said, if you start from the very front of your engine, the very front side of your engine guys, and you keep going, the very front of your engine, those are your ignition coils by the way, right here. The first ignition coil is on cylinder number 1, the very one towards the front. This is number 1, ignition coil and cylinder number 1. Number 2, 3, 4, 5, and then you have number 6. So, with that being said guys, we'll explain how to do that now and how to actually remove and replace ignition coil. The procedure is not very complicated at all. How you recognize which one is bad? Usually you have engine light on and you have a code for misfire or bad ignition coil, and it may say something such as code P0353. 53 guys, the last digit of the code 3 corresponds to ignition coil on cylinder number 3, or it may say ignition coil C is bad. So you have ignition coil A, B, C, D, E, F. So they go in alphabetical order. In our case, if we need to remove and replace cylinder number 3, will be the third one from the front of the engine towards the back. And how you do that? You need to open the wires. Open that thing up, it will spit the wires out. And gently pull them out. Sometimes, you may be hitting here and there a little bit. Then you need to grab the coil guys, and especially this one is a little bit harder location because it's by the Valvetronic motor. Grab and pull it straight up. Perfect. And this is it guys. This is your ignition coil. That's how you guys remove it. Installation, it's practically in reverse order. We took it apart and we'll have a video how to test those coming very soon guys. So please check it out. When you get the new coil, push it in and make sure that you connect the wire. You start it like that. And then you push the cap until the wire closes all the way. Make sure it's closed, otherwise guys you will not be able to, the ignition coil will not communicate with the engine computer and it will not work, and you'll still get a code for bad ignition coil. So always check the wiring harness. Hopefully guys the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.